Hey y'all, welcome back to another workout. Today we're working on losing our muffin top and love handles. I've got 10 highly effective exercises to help you lose belly fat and side fat fast. This workout is a game changer. You're definitely not gonna want to miss this. All right, y'all, ready to work out with me? Let's go. We're going to start off in a plank position for this move, a high plank position, and we're going to rotate through, dipping those hips 2 times, dip, dip, and then switching to the other side. We're going to draw in and engage that core as we go. For these cross climbers, we're going to stay in a high plank position and we're going to tuck in that knee to the side, tuck in to the side, and we'll keep that going, keeping that core engaged and breathing. We're going to start off in a sitting position here, making sure that our hands are behind our head, and we're going to rotate at the waist. Rotate, rotate, drawing in that core. That's where the magic is happening, and we're going to make sure that we are pacing ourselves and breathing.
Too much for sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Touch, you're a million.
We're going to start off by lying down for this move, and we're going to do a sit-up, tucking that knee and rotate to the side, sit up, tucking that knee and rotate, keeping your core engaged the whole time.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop.
We're going to start this move with an elbow side plank, and we're going to reach that arm through that opposite arm, reaching up after, tucking in the opposite arm, and then reaching, drawing in that core. We're going to switch after 30 seconds. This is a combo move, y'all. So we're going to do a reverse crunch, lifting up, drawing in that core, and then we're going to move those legs wide open for an opener here. Reverse crunch, and then opener, drawing in as we do the reverse crunch, squeezing those glutes for the opener, and we're going to keep this going. We're going to do 4 bicycle crunches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do a flutter kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And flutter kicks. You're doing a great job drawing in that core, activating that core as you do each move. We're going to start off in the sitting position here, and we are going to rotate and twist, rotate and pulsing as we twist to each side, drawing in and engaging that core. We're going to do 5 bicycle crunches here, and then we're going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold, drawing in that core, really making the most of that core activation during that hold.
Get
we're going to start this move by lying on our backs, and we are going to do a toe tap, touching the tops of your fingers to those heels, and then we are going to do a toe tap, heel tap, toe tap, engaging our core throughout the whole entire movement. Y'all, we have about 35 more seconds left in this workout. Y'all are doing an amazing job. Let's continue to push, let's work, and let's go. Yes, y'all, we made it. Awesome job. Your abs are definitely feeling it right now. Make sure you get a good stretch. Hey friends, I've been adding Bloom greens and superfoods to my daily routine, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. It helps nourish my body with probiotics, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, and honestly, I've noticed way less bloating and way more energy throughout my day. If you're looking to support your gut health, boost immunity, and feel lighter and more balanced, this is definitely worth trying. I've dropped to my Amazon link in the description, so check it out and treat your body to something good today. In the mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. There are 2 super amazing options below. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.